In this video we'll be taking a look at the Image Processing 101 challenge on HackTheBox. It's an easy stego challenge, and the description says check all domains, don't be a script kiddie. So I can see that I solved this one just over a year ago, but it's not ringing a bell based on the name, so maybe as I start to solve it, it'll start to come back to me. Let's see. We'll download and extract the file. It's a PNG file. Let's take a look at it. Alright, some guy in a balaclava. Take a look at the corners of the image. They look interesting. There's been some kind of alteration there anyway, maybe some data embedded or something, so worth bearing in mind. And let's go and do some of our usual file checks. Right, so double check the file. PNG, yep. EXIF tool. Nothing interesting in the metadata. Try and run bin walk. Nope, nothing interesting. Just remove that directory. Okay, so what kind of stego tools did we have for PNG? Let's do apt cache search steg and stepik. It says Python 3. It doesn't mention there whether it doesn't mention what type of files. Okay, well, zsteg was a good one. Let's have a look at that. zsteg-h. This specifically focuses on PNGs, whereas steghide and most of the other ones don't. So I think we'll take a look at this. Let's first of all let's open with stegsolve and just have a look at our usual. Have a look at it visually and just see if there's anything interesting on the different planes. Okay, nothing standing out. Sometimes you might see a key or something like that in here. It doesn't look like it. We can go into the stereogram solver. Nope. Alright. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's try and run zsteg. So we can run, as we can see there, zsteg-a to try all known methods. What about the strings? Strings find mode. Okay, maybe we could check that as well, but I think we'll try to find strings anyway. And that's it. Let's try and just pass it the file name. You can see it runs through all of these. It'll try to find any. Now notice it comes up with things like their PGP secret key and stuff like that. It does, and yeah, it doesn't. It's not necessarily always finding the files and the things that it shows here. So I can't see anything sticking out here in the strings anyway. We might want to try to extract some of these file types. Let's have a look here. zsteg extract. Have a look here on Hacktricks. zsteg. So this works with PNGs and BMPs apparently. Okay, and so we ran -a there to run all the methods, and then if we want to extract data from a given payload, we can do -E and then the payload that we want to extract. So just as an example, let's try with what would be most interesting to look at. Packed data. See, I would pick one of these MPEGs, but I don't know they're all. Which one would you pick? Alright, let's just grab something. So I'm going to do -E, paste that in, and there, that's extracted. Now if we pipe that to something.mpeg, So it wrote that to the file. But yeah, I mean, it's not something that I expected to work for us, but there might be other things in there which we need to check out. Let's see if there are any other PNG tricks mentioned on here. So let's search here for PNG. Just okay, stegoVeritas. Might check out this. Could check out this one. It looks like it's not going to do too much more than can brute force LSB though. Okay, potentially. Let's see what else we have. Stegpy, program for encoding, can store. Okay, have a look at the GitHub. PNG check. Get details on a PNG file. Let's see if we've got that. PNG check. No. Okay. Yeah, let's install that and try it out. PNG check, cheeky. Okay. Not too much info for us. What else have we got? Stegpy. Okay, so Stegpy can also deal with audio then as well. Program for encoding information. And we can install it with pip. Okay. We can hide a message and we can just extract a message. Alright, I don't see the alteration on the corners of these images that we would see there, but let's try it out anyway because I've never tried this tool before. Okay, so I'm going to activate my Python environment. It said it was pip3, so I'll activate 3. And all this is here is just the pyenv. I've just set up a bash alias, so if we cut my bash aliases and grep that, you'll see all it's just set to. I just have a folder where my pyenv is set up, and it just shortens that a little bit. So with that activated, we can just do pip install stegpy, and it should do everything for us. And then all we need to do is run stegpy with our image and see what happens. I'm not too hopeful because I think the alterations that we've seen in the corner of the image probably indicate there's going to be something else. But okay, let's run Python. Or we just run stegpy and pass in the image. Nothing, no encoded info found. Alright, cool. Well, while we've installed it, why don't we try it out anyway. So stegpy, so I can say stegpy flag, this is stego, and then pass in cheeky. Do we need here? There we go. And oh, I've probably just messed up. Okay, no, it's stored it in. Luckily, it stored it in a new output file there because that would have messed things up for us. Now, if we run Python, oh not Python, stegpy on the cheeky breaky, you see no encoded info. If we run it on underscore cheeky breaky, we get our flag. So maybe somebody could use this for in a challenge at some point, or maybe it is used in another challenge, I don't know. But okay, so what else can we look at? Let's just go back here and see then, did we miss anything? Okay, I mean there's the stego-Veritas. Let's have a look at that. Yet another stego tool. And oh, we can pip install. Awesome. So we'll pip install this in our Pi environment. All that's going to install for us as well, so that's awesome. Could also use Docker. Okay, and then we just need to run it with the file to analyze, and we have some different, so we can specify meta to check for various metadata information. Image transform, perform various image transformations and save them. Okay. Brute force LSB, this might be of use to us, and extract LSB. Cool, let's try some of these out. Okay, that's it installed. stegoVeritas, and we'll run it on cheeky breeky. Okay, it's carved and extracted. Yeah, some zips. Found something worth keeping. Okay, and it actually is an MPEG as well. So maybe the MPEG, maybe whenever we were carving, we had to carve like all of those parts out. I don't know. Let's see. So where did it save this for us? Results. Let's have a look. Alright, saved a lot of stuff here. Let's have a look at the thumbnails. So it saved us kind of a lot of the stuff that we saw anyway in stegsolve. In the keepers, it's also produced this, the MPEG file. Can I open it here? No. Okay. Nothing in that. All right, we'll go in and try and take a little bit of a look at that, and then we'll check out the EXIF stuff as well. So let's go into keepers first of all. We have this file 16. Alright, let's just run file on everything, see what it is, see what we've got. Empty, data, PNG image, and then this MPEG, PNG image data. Let's run strings on it. Strings -n10. No. Okay. Let's check out the metadata. Presumably these are just all text files. Okay, they're all quite small, yeah. Not seeing anything of interest there either. Okay, it's just this keepers thing that I'm interested in then. Let's see what it said again. It's gonna be way up. I probably don't even have it. Yeah. Alright, forget it. We can try and run strings on this as well. No, okay. Strings -n10 19. No, okay. Alright, let's go back and look for more PNG stego scripts. Stego-toolkit, okay, this sounds interesting. A Docker image useful for solving steganography challenges, as those you can find at CTF platforms like HackTheBox. Awesome. Image comes pre-installed with many popular tools. See below. Okay, where are the tools? Show me the tools. And alright, well, we've run most of these tools already. the ones that are going to be of any use to us anyway. We just tried this one. Cool. We've done zsteg. Steg detect we haven't done, but it says JPEG. Steg break is JPEG as well. Okay. Stegano. Okay, we haven't done stegano. Can we apt-get install? No. Alright, let's go and try and install stegano. So we want to try and install this tool stegano, which it says we can install using pip. If we run pip install stegano, it suggests using pip-x for virtual envs, but we're already using a virtual env. And we get some error here trying to, due to the pillow installation. Did it install it anyway? No, it didn't install it. Okay, it's useful that they have a tutorial here as well, but we want to try and get it actually installed. Let's see if there's a quick fix. Stegano pillow Python 3.9 error. Let's have a quick look. Pip installs failing. Okay, it looks like a similar issue. I'm just yeah, alright. It looks like there's a problem. If there's a problem with, okay, I'll do pip install and try to do this upgrade. You need at least 6.21. I think let's see what we have. Pip install upgrade pip. Oh, I had 20. Let's try again. No. Okay. So I've upgraded pip. Let's try and upgrade pillow. No. It's already, pillow is 8.1.0. It's saying 6.2.1. So that's not working for us. I'm not going to waste too much time on that. Let's see if we can set up the Docker image and just run through a couple of these tools. Alright, let's close these down. And let's try and install this whole steganography toolkit. Okay, so first make sure you have Docker installed. Got a how-to there if you don't use the scripts. Okay, then you can use the shell scripts, bin, build. Okay, to build the image and run a container, you'll be dropped into a bash shell. Inside the container, it will have the data folder mounted in which you can put the files to analyze. Sounds handy. Let's grab it then. So we're gonna let's move back a bit, back into our working directory. Let's do git clone stego-toolkit. Let's go into the stego-toolkit now. We've got this data directory. Presumably the data directory is empty. Yep, it's just a readme. So we're going to copy our cheeky breeky into data, and then we're going to go to scripts. I think they said no, just install probably. No. 1 second. What did it say? It said go into bin build. Okay, into bin, and we have this build. So let's try and do /build, and it's going to run through the various steps and hopefully build this Docker, build and run this. Okay, C group mount point does not exist, unknown. I believe this is a problem I've run into before, and the temp fix is, I'm going to paste in the temp fix for it. Let's try and run that again. Okay, looking better. So I speeded up the installation of that. You will have probably noticed in the video because it went so slowly. It probably took like 10-15 minutes to install that and get it set up. But we're set up now, so let's see if we can check out some of the tools that are on it, starting with the stegano tool. Okay, and now that we have installed it, we should be able to use the run script to run it. So let's do run.sh, and here we are, we're root inside data, and in our data we have our image file. So okay, we can't use our bash aliases anymore, but let's do stegano. Nice, yeah, okay, stegano, and let's first of all try stegano lsb, cheeky breaky. Okay, arguments, is it arguments and then file? Let's try and do reveal. Input -I for input, okay. None. Alright, no problem. What else do we have? Stegano, red, reveal, presumably, -I, cheeky breaky. Okay, no. Stegano, steg analysis, parity, cheeky breaky. Do we need the -I? Okay, key error. Alright, not looking very good for us so far. Let's see what other tools we had here. Openstego, okay, so this included various LSB algorithms, including mentioned in this blog. Let's have a look. Openstego, cheeky breaky, and okay, we've got quite a lot of options here. Let's see, extract. So hopefully we can do openstego extract and then pass in the file name maybe. Let's try it. No, okay. Openstego extract -sf. Alright, so it's a similar format to steghide. We'll give it cheeky breaky. It's asking for a password. Cheeky. Try it. Let's try it without a password actually. No, okay. Check all domains, don't be a script kiddie. There's no real hint there as to what it would be. How haven't found any strings or anything throughout it. Okay. We'll move on from that one. Outguess is for JPEGs. Okay, images, cloaked pixel. Let's have a look. Cloaked pixel, and we can do extract. Oh, let's try analyze, and then cheeky breaky. Okay, we've got some kind of errors. It's looking for Python 2. Well, we're probably. Oh, well, let's put this inside the Docker. Maybe that's right. But alright, well, let's try extract. Well, it's asking for a password. We'll do extract cheeky breaky out. Just out, I guess. No. Alright, not looking good. What else have we got? F5. JPEG only. Okay. Stegpy we've already done. Many different methods. Steg. Okay. Let's see what methods it has. Cannot connect server. Steg help. Ah. Steg doesn't run. Okay. Do we have steg here? No. Does it need to be the capital? No. Okay. Maybe these are external. These GUI tools. So in order to run them, yeah, okay. You need to either connect via SSH or VNC. So we could try to install these separately, but I think we've had a good look through these tools. Let's maybe do a little bit more research. Alright, let's go back to our HackTricks Stego tricks link, which I'll put again in the description. They're in the description for all these Stego challenges. And let's have a look through what we've got and what we've missed. We used this on the last challenge. For the text, we can't use steghide because it's a PNG image. We've tried to use zsteg. We could return to that to see if there was some other payloads, but we did try to use the stegoVeritas, which I believe tried to run all these kind of checks and extract what it needed to. Stegsolve, just for kind of visual stuff as we'd seen. Find hidden content using fast4AT. We could have a look at one of these. Let's have a look at the GitHub one. FFT stegpy, Python script for digital image steganography. Okay, let's check this out. So we'll go out of the stego-toolkit and we'll do sublime fft.py, paste this in here, and it takes in a file name by the looks of it. Let's do python fft cheeky breaky, no module named. Okay, I'm gonna activate the Python environment, so I'm gonna do source pyenv3 pip install cv2. Okay, I'll do deactivate, and I'm going to do source pyenv2 pip install cv2. Alright, let's have a look at the cv2. Alright, pip install cv2 opencv python. Okay, let's go back to our Python 3 source pyenv3 pip install open, what was it? OpenCV Python. Okay, let's try and run our script again. Now we need matplotlib. What a surprise. Matplotlib. Let's try and run it again. And this time it's running. Enter the path of an image. Okay. Right here. So cheeky underscore breaky.png. And there we have a flag. You can see that the flag, the proof DFT, script kiddie, the proof DFT. Okay, nice. I think we wasted a lot of time going through a lot of tools that we didn't need to, but that's what CTF challenges are all about. You go through the process of elimination, you do your research on different tools and techniques, and you just try things out until you get it working. So I hope you've enjoyed this video anyway. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below. Thanks.